Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Grisel.
I'm Lesley.
And today guys we're doing a huge Boxycharm unboxing. This is the Boxycharm for this month. This is the month of December, and as you can tell guys, it's huge. Like look, Lesley, it's like compared to my face.
Well, I remember when I saw it in the mail, I was like, no.
Yeah, it's super big. So there's a lot of products this month, so we're gonna be trying them out with you guys and letting you know if it's worth it. Which I probably think it's gonna be worth it.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Whoop. Okay guys, so let's get started with this unboxing. Oh my god, it looks huge. Okay, so the first thing in the box guys, it's this big card that says the products that come inside. The thing for this month, it's the season.
The season.
Oh, tis the season. Oh, I get it. Okay, look, it's so freaking cute. So this is a theme, and I guess there's just a picture of all the products that come inside. It's weird because I don't know if you noticed that in the other boxes models come, like picture models. I guess they didn't put it in this one. So yeah, alright, so we're gonna get started.
So I'll start. The first thing that I see is this Glam AF bag, and there's something inside. Let's try to open it. Okay, so inside the Glam AF bag, there's a portable charger. It smells like
Leather, yeah.
Or something kinds of beauty. This is actually pretty nice.
Okay, so this is a Kinds of Beauty bracelet portable charger. It says it's compatible with the iPhone and Android devices. And it can be charged throughout any USB port. It retails for $22. That's really good. Hopefully it does work. I don't know how it works, but I guess we'll figure it out. I guess we're gonna try this thing out guys and let you know if it worked.
Okay.
So the next thing in this box is this I don't know what this is. It's a girl's world. Oh, and it's a ceramic mini. Oh, it's a strainer. It's a mini hair strainer, and it retails for $75. Lesley,
But it looks so tiny.
Yeah.
75?
Maybe for a
Like a
big
like a regular size straightener.
yeah.
Maybe. That looks like
Maybe. We probably wouldn't. We're like so cheap. Yeah, so we wouldn't. But that's pretty cool. Oh, and it comes with a little like pouch, so we put it. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, it's so pretty. Right now we have our hair wet, guys, so we won't be trying. Yeah, we won't be trying this out.
Let me see if it's so cute.
Yeah,
because we have a small one, but I think this is like tiny. It's pretty cool, and I like the color.
Yeah, me too. It's really pretty.
Okay, so the next thing I see is a Wonder Beauty Wonder Rest Dusk to Dawn brush and highlight palette.
Oh yeah, and that palette retails for $26. I'm thinking it's a blush and highlighter palette.
That's what I just said.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it's a blush and highlight palette. And $26 is not that bad.
Not that bad. Like, well,
hopefully it works.
I like really blinding highlights, so I want to see if it's like worth it.
Ooh. Oh, it's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, but they actually have like a little bit of shimmer, the blushes. And well, we're gonna try them out and see how we like them. But before we try this out, we're gonna grab another product that comes inside this month as well, that we're gonna be using with that palette. And it's this set of brushes, and they're from the Luxie Complete Face Set. Look at this, guys. They're so pretty. They're gorgeous. They look so pretty. So we're gonna open this baby up. Let me see how much it retails for. Okay, so this is a Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set, and it retails for $65. What is that on the end?
I actually don't know. I think it was like if it falls, like you could just replace with that. But I seriously doubt it. Okay, well let's just open it.
Yeah, let's open it into it.
This is how it looks. All the brushes.
Let me touch them. They feel so soft. Yeah. They feel so nice. Okay, so I guess we're gonna be using.
Wait, I wanna see what this one is.
What do they have?
Like a little thing so that they won't fall, but I can stand up straight.
What is that? That's so weird. Oh, it's another mini face brush. Is it? Yeah, you did that.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You have to admit.
Yes. I'm gonna be using the Tuscan Sunrise blush, and I'm gonna be using the round top blender brush. I'm pretty sure this is used for foundation, but I'm gonna use it today for a blush anyways. I don't care.
I'm gonna just dip into the highlight that's called City Lights.
What brush are you using?
And I'm gonna be using the Luxie 522 highlight brush.
Oh, this blush is so... And it has like a highlighter look. It's so pretty.
That's just a blush?
Yeah.
It's actually really nice. It looks like highlight.
But it has
like
yeah.
But blush at the same time.
Yeah, it's really pretty, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be adding more highlight because I'm going more subtle today.
Oh, well, I see the highlight.
But this is... Oh, it's so pretty. Lesley, show them. Like, it's so blinding. It's so pretty.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's definitely right there. I really like it.
So pretty. I really, really love this blush.
Yeah. So
I fell in love with it. So the next product.
the next product is sponge. I don't know how to read.
Sponge? Sponge? I don't know. It's really good.
It's sponge. I'm pretty sure this is like a French or something, so I'm just gonna say sponge. It's a body wash infused buffer. I mean, obviously we're not gonna try it out for you guys.
Yeah.
But we'll open it. Oh, it smells really good.
Oh, remember one time I got one of these? It was a party guy. I gave it to you. Did it work?
Yes, it was really nice. And I like that.
Really good.
It was like it never ran out of soap.
Yeah.
Like you just kept using it and using it and using it.
I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so freaking good, Lesley. Maybe we can use it tomorrow. I mean, not in a video, but we'll try it out tomorrow.
Yeah, this smells really good.
And that retails for $20. So
$20? Damn, that's really expensive just for this.
yeah, but if it works out, maybe it's worth it.
Maybe it's worth it?
Yeah. So the next thing is this Elements Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's anti-wrinkle day cream for lines and wrinkles. Oh, that's really good.
You need that.
Yeah, I do. I, like, not to be mean, guys, but I have really bad wrinkles under my eyes.
No, you've been ordering me for that.
And it retails for $89, Lesley.
No, that's like more than like Proactive and all that. Wait, can I see it? Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah, it looks expensive. And it's $89. Lesley, I can't even believe it. It's $89.
This Boxycharm is really nice. This is perfect.
Let me open it. But look at how much comes out. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's not that much for $89. Lesley. Hopefully it works, because I'm willing to keep buying it.
They're still out there.
Put it back. We're not gonna use it anyway.
It doesn't smell it though.
Oh.
I like the smell.
It does. It smells good. It smells like roses, not like...
I don't know, but I smelled the smell.
Me too. Oh, well. You guys can smell it, but I was gonna show you guys that it's not that big of a container.
Yeah.
So it's not that much amount for the price.
Yeah. But overall, the container looks really nice also.
And it feels really good. And it smells awesome. It feels like...
I don't know, but I know I smelled this before.
Yeah, me too. But it smells like Old Lady, doesn't it? I don't know, but I don't know, but I smelled this before.
Okay, I'm gonna just put this back in the box. Okay, so the next thing that I see is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Doesn't say the name of it.
And it retails for $20. It's a sheer lip gloss. Oh, that's cool. With glitter.
I don't really like lip gloss.
I do. I love them, guys. I love glitter. I'm those kind of people. Oh, it looks gorgeous, Lesley.
It looks like your lips are about to pop.
Yes, it looks gorgeous. Oh, I was telling you guys that I'm one of those girls that either go for a really matte lip or a really gloss lip. I don't go in between, like those subtle, no, cream lipsticks, no. I either do like really big matte lips or really gloss lips.
Well, you can even see it has like purple, blue, and pink like glitter. Here, you can try it. I don't really like.
But yeah, but you need to try with me.
All right.
You can give it
like a review.
Someone who doesn't like glitter. No, I love it.
You know what? Like noticing that you can't really see the pink,
but you can see the blue glitter.
But you can see the glitter.
Yeah, you can see the blue glitter. Yeah, this is really pretty. I love lip glosses. I already know this is gonna be like my new favorite lip gloss.
Here, let me see that on you.
Yeah. This is so pretty.
Yeah.
Do you like
I don't like it.
Why? But why don't you like it?
I don't like there's some really lip glosses that are like really like sticky. Like you put your lips together and you feel like them stick together. And this one actually is not that bad.
It's not. That's what I was noticing. I was like, but does this one do that?
No,
it doesn't. Like it's a comfortable lip gloss.
Yeah. I don't like lip gloss. I don't like lip glosses probably because of my hair. Like if I go outside or if I'm eating food, I don't just know something's gonna get stuck to my lips.
Yeah, that's
the only reason why I don't like lip gloss.
That's the only bad thing about lip gloss.
But overall, the only bad thing is that I thought it was actually gonna show pink. Like I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like pink with glitter, and all you can see is the glitter. It's not that bad. It's not bad.
Okay, so the second to last thing in the box, guys, it's this Violet Boss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. Can you open it up?
It looks so nice.
Yeah, hopefully it has like maroon and black.
Well, I mean, by the
box,
you can kind of already tell.
Hopefully, because you know sometimes like
Yeah.
they show gold and they're like randomized colors like green or blue.
Yeah, yeah.
So hopefully it's those colors because I'm all about those.
Yeah, those are my colors.
Yeah, they are. And it retails for $45, so that's good.
That's not that bad. Like
Yeah.
this compared to the lotion.
It's like any other palette, you know, like any other palette in Sephora, like they're like in the range of $40 to $60. So let's open it up and see how we like it. And we're gonna be using the rest of the brushes we used right now.
Yeah, they're right here.
So we're gonna be using these brushes as well. We're gonna be doing a really simple look today. We just wanna like test the shadows out. Yeah, test the shadows out and see what we like.
Here you go. Another box. Okay, so the outside looks exactly the same. It's just like it has like a little reflection.
Oh, holographic. Yeah, it's like holographic. No, that's
It's
you.
a reflection though.
Oh yeah, they're pretty, Lesley.
Look at this one. This is kind of messed up.
Yeah, it's
Damn it, that sucks.
But look at these colors.
They look so. No, I like all of them. Not one color I don't like.
And it has like a really big mirror, so you could see yourself or take it to travel, and you can be doing your makeup as you
No,
like.
wait, show them the colors. These are the colors. There's.
I really like this color right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it matches with my hair actually. It's so pretty. But yeah, these are the colors. So let's try them out, Lesley.
Yeah.
Do you want to use that one and I'll use the small mirror?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Just sure. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Luxie 213 eye shade.
So I'm gonna be using the Luxie 229 taper blending brush, and I'm gonna be grabbing the color hashing, this color right here.
Wait, I'm gonna use the color teddy bear, this brown one right here.
So let's blend it. Well, there's I don't know, guys. There's a lot of Kiko, like
Yes,
a
there is.
lot. Hopefully they blend good. I mean,
Maybe it's just that brush. No, never mind. Yeah, maybe it's just that one.
oh well, there's it's really pigmented.
Yes, it is.
Look, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really pigmented, and they're and they're blending really nice. Yeah, I'm not struggling at all to blend them out. They're really pretty.
So I'm gonna be using the Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. You just see how I'm betting to see if I said it right.
Yo, I give you my approval. So I'm gonna be using the Luxie 213 eye shading brush, the one she was using right now, and it's sturdy from one side, but I'm actually gonna use this side because I want to try this brush as well. And I'm taking the color Wine and Dine, this pink right here.
Maroon, is it?
Oh, it's like maroon. I'm gonna be putting it on my
Lid.
lid. Yeah. Did you put it on your lid? No, right? Did you?
What?
But Wine and Dine? No.
No, I haven't used that one.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on my lid. Oh, and it's so pigmented and it's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using the shade she used right now. I'm gonna be grabbing the color Teddy Bear and using that to deepen out my outer V. Just to give it a little bit more of something to mention.
I'm gonna use the Luxie 221 flat definer. So I'm gonna be using it to highlight my eyebrow bowl and my inner eye. And I'm gonna be using the color. How do you say that? Toffee?
Yeah, toffee.
I'm gonna be using the color Toffee, which is like a golden brown right there.
Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Luxie 160 lip brush, but instead of using it for my lips, I'm actually gonna use this brush to put some highlight on my inner corner and my brow bone. And I'm gonna be grabbing the color Cold Beans. This color right here, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna be putting that on my inner corners. And they're really buttery. I don't know if you can tell, but the shimmers are like really buttery. Oh my god.
It is really pretty.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Look, guys. It's really pretty.
Okay, guys, so overall, our final review, no, our final thoughts on the Violet Boss Pro Eyeshadow Palette. What do you think?
No, you go first.
Yeah. I overall like that they're really pigmented and the shimmery colors
are
really blinding.
Yeah, and they're really buttery. Yeah, me too, guys. I think this palette's so freaking worth it. It's so freaking worth it. You should get like the whole box just for this palette itself. I think it's so freaking worth it. It's so freaking pretty. I don't know. I love this palette. I don't think I own something like this. Do I? No, right? Yeah, I do. Okay.
Yeah, she does.
Well, it's gonna be in
the collection.
Yeah, it's gonna be in the collection.
No, it's really worth it.
Yeah, it's really worth it. It's
And then
really
you
pretty.
said it was like what?
45.
45.
Yeah, it's a good.
I feel like it's worth it.
Yeah. Okay, so the last thing, it's this mascara. It's by Lorac. Lorac or Lorac? Lorac, I don't know. And it's a Royal Treatment mascara, and it retails for $24.
It says primer and mascara.
Yeah. Oh wait.
Oh, it's double.
Yeah, it's one end. It features a blue tinted primer.
No.
That's so cool. And it says it will nourish and lengthen at the same time. The other end features a slim one that will hug your lashes from root to tip, thickening and volumizing without being clumpy or flaky.
This is the blue one. It's really pretty. And then this one's a black one.
So let's try it out.
So you put on the blue one first, right? Can I just put on the blue one and then just leave it to have blue?
Okay, you should do it.
Yeah. Would be. Alright.
But it turns like white once it gets to your lashes, doesn't it? Or is it just me looking from this side? Or
No,
do
it
you
does
even
look
see the
white.
color?
No, yeah, I see the color. It looks. Yeah, it looks white. Okay, so I think the mascara overall is not that good. I think the only thing that makes the mascara good is the primer. Because the mascara is good, don't get me wrong. But it's the primer that makes you like.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
Okay guys, so my thoughts on this mascara. It's that it does give you some length, but it doesn't give you much volume. And what I really like about mascaras is when they give you volume. I'd rather get volume than length, because I have like I don't have a lot of lashes. So when a mascara gives you volume, it makes them look fuller. And this doesn't do that for me. So I mean, it's a so-so for me. I don't know about you.
I don't know. How much did it retail for?
$24.
I'm
pretty sure you can get better mascaras
Yeah.
for that price, you know?
Yeah, I've bought better mascaras for that price. But I'm telling you, I would only use this for the primer, not the mascara itself. Yeah, that's my thoughts.
Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to comment down below what you would like for us to do next video.
And until next time, bye guys.
Love you.
Ariana, get out!
There's a. Oh! my God.
¿Qué quieres? I think we should just do it tomorrow. And the top of my brow bone. And I'm gonna use the color.
The top. But you can't use the bottom.
Yeah, sure. The bottom right. Oh, no, it's the top of my
Just use the brow bone. Neither top or bottom. Put it on. Hurry up, because I need the mirror.
Ay, pues si no me das interrumpida,
I wasn't even going to talk right. Talk.
See, it's the top of my brow bone.
It's the bottom.
You ugly ass.
Okay, you're annoying ass. Cheers. Mascara's just like a regular mascara.
Oh, so yeah, okay. So yeah.
I would buy it.
Okay, so the last thing on the box.
I'm broke. I think this. Come take this off.
Bracelet, portable charger. Don't.
There you go. Oh, shit. 75 was a full live. That's my depression, guys. Sorry. I kind of believe that. Kind of. Fully.
This big ass.
No, voy a platicar. Platicamos. Oh, you see. Let's do Lesley's. Oh my god.